This question came in from a student about the histogram, and I'm glad that someone asked about this because it's very important you understand a histogram when you move on to complete your project, because part of the project is completing a histogram by hand. You'll notice that an important feature of this histogram is that there's a title at the top. In this case, the title is Televisions per Home. Along the bottom, we see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 is the number of televisions. And along the side, 0 up through 10 represents the number of homes. The highest one that's actually accounted for is 9. So the homes that were surveyed had anywhere from 0 to 6, 0 to 6 televisions. And the number of homes that answered for each of the different numbers of televisions, the number of homes ranged from 0 to 9. Let's look at some of the questions that we have for this graph, this histogram. How many homes were included in the survey? To find the total number of homes, we'd have to see how many homes answered in each way. So we see that there's one home that answered that they had 0 televisions. 4 homes said that they had 1 television. 9 homes said that they had 2. 7 homes had 3. 5 homes had 4. 3 homes answered 5, 6 homes answered 1. So all together, that means that we had 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 different homes that participated in the survey. So the answer to number A, or letter A, is going to be the total of 30. The next question asks us to decide in how many different homes were 4 televisions observed. So we're going to look at the chart and find where there's 4 televisions. Let me write the answer here for this first one. How many homes were there 4 televisions? The number of televisions 4. Let me find another color to use. It looks like if we followed this over, we could see that there were 5 homes that reported having 4 televisions. So the answer to letter B is 5 homes answered that there were 4 televisions. The modal class means the highest bar, the number of televisions that was the most common. And so that looks like 2 televisions. 2 televisions was the most common, the most popular response to the question, how many televisions do you have in your home? How many televisions were observed? Here's where we do have to do a little bit of arithmetic. We can see that one home responded 0, so that would altogether give us 0. 4 homes responded that they had 1 television, so there's 4 televisions. 9 homes had 2 televisions, so that'll be 18. If you continue that pattern all the way down, we could get a total of 84 televisions observed. 1 times 0, 4 times 1, plus 9 times 2, plus 7 times 3, plus 5 times 4, plus 3 times 5, plus 1 times 6 gives us a total of 84 televisions. And finally, construct a frequency distribution. The frequency distribution, and it's a little bit different when you're typing it in, but what we would do is have 2 columns. We'd have TVs per home, and we'd have the number of homes. And so we'd have 0 TVs, 1 TV, 2 TV, and so on. This is what was already given. We just needed to be able to read the graph and respond how many homes reported having 0 televisions, and that's 1. One home reported having 1 television. How many homes reported having exactly 1 television? 4 homes reported having 1. There's 9 homes that had 2 televisions, and so on. And that's how you'd continue the frequency distribution. I hope that that helps you with this question, at least getting it started. If you do have further questions or need further assistance, please let me know.